Hey there! Today, we're showing how the Ionic Design Kit makes it easy to create a sleek, user-friendly to-do list screen for productivity apps. Let's jump right in. On the left, you'll see coding examples from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, we showcase a custom layout designed with the Ionic Design Kit. On the right, watch the phone emulator display the real-time results of our work. Pause the video anytime to catch all the details. The Ionic Design Kit is built on the Ionic framework, giving you access to a library of pre-made design elements. For designers, it's as simple as pick and place. No need to start from scratch. And for developers, all components are sourced directly from the Ionic framework, meaning less coding and more focus on functionality. One of the most common features in productivity apps is the to-do list screen. It's essential for helping users organize tasks, set priorities, and track progress. A well-structured to-do list screen not only keeps things organized, but also boosts productivity by offering a clear overview of what's ahead. Use the Ionic Design Kit to quickly build a to-do list screen with ready-made components and customizable layouts. It's fast, efficient, and ideal for seamless app development. Find code snippets and step-by-step instructions on our website. Be sure to check out more guides in this series, where we'll explore other essential app features and show you how to make the most of this powerful toolkit. See you next time.